Hello everybody, welcome back.
We are young, we are floating like the sun.
Today I'm gonna be doing a haul. I love buying stuff, especially clothes.
OMG.
And I love shopping, and I love to show you guys what I found and what kind of deals I got. I don't remember what the price is on top of my head, so here we go. So I found stuff from Target, and they had a bunch of things on clearance, so I took advantage of anything that's like under $10. This one, I've been eyeballing this dress since it first got there, but it's this dress. I love it. Definitely not gonna wear it here in Alaska. Definitely gonna wear it in Utah for the summer. Kind of short, but for me it's a great length. And this was, I think, $9. Yeah, $9. Not bad at all. And of course I had to grab the yellow because I love yellow, and I think yellow looks pretty nice on my skin tone. And next one, this sweater. I actually bought this like 2 weeks ago, but this I got full price. I think it was like $12, which is not bad. And it's just like the activewear brand, All Emotion. Actually got it from the kids section. And these I got for, I think it was, let me see, $7. I know you're probably like, $7 for a small little crop t-shirt. I don't know, I've been eyeballing these cute little thin shirts. I just like it because it's, you know, they're comfortable, they're thin, and they just got a cute little graphic. And I also got the Venice. Thought this was really cute. It is very see-through, simple, cute. Then I also got these really cute cropped shirts here. This one, and then I also bought a green one somewhere in that pile that I have over here, which I'm highly embarrassed to even show you guys because it's a pile of clothes. That I think totaled up to like less than $30, $40. Now we're gonna get to my Pacsun haul. I love their hoodies. Here we go. So I got this. I have like another one very similar to it, but it's a different color. But I like these little like ringer tops, and it has the raglan sleeves. I don't know, it just gives me like that beachy vibe. Okay, next thing is this sweater. A lot of them are like expensive when you buy it full price. Like this one's $44 for a really good deal. And I'll probably show you guys like the breakdown of everything, of how much the total was. And then this one was $26 originally. But again, got everything on sale. So, alright, let's see this sweater. Okay, it's like a cropped hoodie. Ooh, it's actually really cute. But I just really like the style, and I really like the back. I love Pacsun stuff. Alright, next sweater is this one. Dang, look at this. The original price was $65. Okay, I really like the color. It's like bright, like orange, not orange, orange. What am I talking about? Yellow and green color. It's like a billabong. The quality's really nice, and I like the back. Really cute. Next one. Oh, I like this one a lot. I love the colors on this with the white. Same thing, but a different color. I love it. I have a feeling I get this dirty, so I'm probably gonna only wear this if I'm like and about, not like at home, because I will stain my sweaters. Next one. Sweater inspired. But it's kind of big. It's a hoodie. I'm all for a big hoodie, and it's actually an extra small, as you can see. And then I'm really excited to wear it. It's definitely going to be my sweater for nighttime. Very comfy. And last but not least, this sweater. And wow, this is kind of big, but it's oversized. That's actually really big. And it says, "Sweet like cherry." Anyways, that is everything that I bought for my little haul. And oh yeah, I want to show you guys my thrifted find that I found like a week ago. So I found this really cute jacket, super cute, and it's it's actually a Target brand, but it's Cat and Jack. So cute for the fall. Can't wait to wear it. Hope you guys just enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time.